we want to introduce Julissa Soto, CEO and founder of Julissa Soto Latino Health Equity Consulting. She's nationally recognized health equity strategic, social entrepreneur, and fearless advocate for immigrant justice with more than 3 decades of experience advancing Latino health, cultural validation, and human rights. She's emerged as a globally respected thought leader, innovator, and systems disruptor. There's a lot of information in this booklet, so please read it, and we want to welcome Julissa Soto.
Buenas noches. Good evening. Can you hear me? Yes. Because I know you guys are talking, so I don't know if you hear me. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, so let's try this again. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Perfect. Good evening. My name is Julissa Soto, Global Health Equity Ambassador, Health Commissioner for the state of Colorado, and the Vice President of the Immunization Coalition of Los Angeles County. Check that out. Yes, that deserves a round of applause. It's a lot of work. Yes. Speaking with Dr. Elena this morning, I wrote my speech. I'm like a rapper. I improvise and I rap and I speak about life. But I wanted to write my speech tonight. So bear with me. It's a speech in less than 2 minutes. Thank you, Dr. Elena Rios and the National Hispanic Health Foundation for this honor. But today, I'm here to honor the people who are holding up healthcare in America, even when this country refuses to hold them. DACA students. Give a round of applause for those DACA students. I come from a family whose work was invisible but essential. A sister breaking her body in a warehouse so her daughters can rise. An aunt picking lettuce in Monterey County, the salad bowl of America. Their sacrifices are why I stand here. And when I look at DACA students in healthcare, I see the same fire, the same fight, the same unstoppable spirit. You study, you work, you serve, while carrying a weight that would break most people, that will break most people. And still, you bring what no medical textbook can teach. Language, culture, trust, lived experience, and courage. This nation will never repay. You heal communities others cannot reach. You build bridges where healthcare has built walls. You are not the future of healthcare. You are the strength of healthcare right now. So let me say this clearly. Keep studying, keep speaking, keep fighting. You are not a guest in this country. You are not temporary. You are not optional. You are the healers American desperately needs, and we will not let this nation forget it. So let's rise for those DACA students, and I want all of you guys to stand up for those DACA students so they can feel us, so they can see us, so they can see that we see them. Let's stand and give a round of applause for